Dean was I buy cool stuff out here shopping again. See what we got at the market. Chickens. Buck, buck, buck. Good looking batch of hens. They all laying or no?
Yeah.
Good looking batch of chickens. Nice old vice.
Oh, now you'll put me asleep.
It's a Wilton. It is a Wilton.
Don't know why.
How's Pete today?
All right.
There's no sun up
You're
in
alive.
the sky.
I think.
You think? Hey, the Hungarian thing is next weekend.
Yeah, the 4th.
Next Saturday. So, anyhow.
I hear Paul's putting the December show together.
Yes.
How come he ain't called me?
I don't know, maybe you ain't in his calling list. I don't know.
Yeah, he's got my phone number.
Oh, I
I'm
pick
gonna
up
call
a
him
phone.
up tomorrow.
Call him up.
out.
Call him up. So we're going to have a gun show at Taylortown.
Hey, you got
What?
you got a lot of problems.
Problems ain't a good enough reason. Got some nice jungle carbines.
Never know. Never know.
I like a jungle carbine. All right, Pete. We'll talk to you later.
All righty.
See if we can find anything else down through here today. Lots of Halloween decorations. Looking for some socks today. The Frankenstein there is kind of cool. And here's the sock lady. So let me see about getting some socks. I like these, I think. Size 9 to 11. Anyhow, we'll turn this off and I'm buying me some socks. Got my friend with all his trains out here today. Anything you need, Lionel HO trains. His name is Jeff. Roundhouse turntable, should I say, not roundhouse. The old Chattanooga choo-choo that has the engine and the tender. Buildings, structures, different pieces. What's up, Jeff? Just you got your display out. This ain't
ready for next week.
Oh, next weekend is Flat Rock Speedway.
After that, we got the show at Taylortown.
Oh, and then the train show at Taylortown. So Jeff's got his stuff all out, getting it out here and organized so he can sell it. So what else you know, Jeff? Anything good?
Seen your video last night.
Yo, you liked the video from yesterday? I bought some good stuff yesterday. So, anyhow. All right. Seen some cool stuff down here in the back. Figured had to come check it out. '31 Model A wheels. Chevy wheel. Looks like another 28, 29 Model A wheel. Some other Model A wheels. With this bike frame though. That is one old bike frame. DAY. Can't read all of it. Had to stop and look. And you cool stuff. Look at that piano chair. Way cool. Oh, here's a seat. It would go on a bike like that. What'd you have on the seat? Oh, I don't guess there's anybody here.
Oh, what it is?
This guy here sitting down? How much is the bike seat?
Mike! Mike! How much for that?
It's Fu Manchu Mike stuff. He must be taking up more.
How much for that bike script?
That bike seat.
The bike?
Well, that is a bike seat. You know, I figured that out all by my lonesome.
No, he's saying something else. Look at the bike.
I seen the bike.
Okay. That went with the bike.
No, it don't. There's the
Hey,
the
it
piece.
should be on American Pickers. That's
Why
where I
does
got
everybody
it
just
from
want to buy
together.
the seat?
Hey.
What the fuck, it goes together?
Okay. Look at the lock.
It don't
on
go
it.
together. There's already a post in that seat. You want to pull that post out and stick it in
no,
there, then
you
it goes.
couldn't pull that out of here.
Yeah, you could.
Oh, look at that. It's got its
What's the
name still
name?
on it.
Day? I
can't
couldn't
read
tell.
It. I can't read it. I can't see that, Mel.
So
But
you still ain't said anything about a price.
the seat, $50.
$50.
Yep, and it's older than you are probably.
Oh, it's older than you and me put together. I think.
What year do you think that is? 1800s? Early
Before
late?
1920.
Okay.
Before 1920.
I thought it was cool. That's why I got it.
Yeah, it's 100 years old.
Yeah.
It's 100 years old.
100 years?
At least.
Somebody ripped the seat off of it last week. If I would have caught him, I would have choked him.
Yeah. Cool wheels and stuff too.
Yeah, how do you like them?
Yeah.
That's a set there.
Hey, what is it?
Cool stuff. Good picking, Mike.
I tried.
Good picking. Not much. What's up for you today?
Hunting season's coming, huh?
Hunting season's coming, man.
Crossbowing or are you regular bowing?
I crossbow hunt. Takes too much effort to hunt with a compound.
If you're looking for any nice bows, some guy has a PSE, a Matthews solo cam, and there's 2 other youth ones.
Huh.
Over by that food guy.
All right. I got to head over that way anyhow.
Right across from the food guy. The food guy's not there though. Let's go this way.
Right across from the food guy that's not there. Makes it a little tougher to find. Coleman lanterns, but nothing I need. 3 of them. That's where I bought the one yesterday. Oh, it's a beaver hide. It's a real beaver hide. It's kind of different. All right, so just a short one today. Not much to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Helps the algorithm. And like I always say, God bless you and God bless America.